So it's safe to say I tried a lot of tactile switches, but hands down, these are one of my favorites. Introducing the Cookies and Cream Switches from Dangkeebs, and these are satisfyingly tactile. High quality ingredients or materials, with guilt-free that comes locally sourced in a sustainable packaging. So taking a look here at the Dangkeebs website, Cookies and Cream Switches are selling for $4.60 a pack, with each pack consisting of 10 switches. Let's talk about why these are some of my favorite switches. As a tactile, these are a medium tactile. Long pull stem from my knowledge. These are lactose free, so if you're anything like me, these are right up your lane. No dairy, no cows, no kitten. As mentioned earlier, these are a tactile switch. Top housing is made of polycarbonate. Bottom housing is made up of nylon. As I mentioned earlier, I believe it is a long pull palm stem. Gold-plated springs with a 4mm travel and a 63.5 gram bottom mount. It is a 5-pin switch that does come lightly pre-lubed from the factory. Let's crack open the switch and see these materials or ingredients firsthand. First, we have our polycarbonate top housing. Up next, we have our long pull palm stem. Next, we have our gold-plated spring. And lastly, our nylon bottom housing. These 4 ingredients are what makes up Dangkeebs Cookies and Cream Switches. And just like that, the switch is put back together. Let's take a listen and see how good these switches sound by themselves. For today, we'll be placing these Cookies and Cream switches inside the Neo 65 by Keys. Put back on our GMK Metropolis keycap set and take a listen. might be the help of this carbon fiber plate, but these cookies and cream switches sound clacky. Nice, high-pitched, just what I'm looking for. Overall, well worth every pickup, every purchase, every dollar.